The intricate rays of foil are actually geometric abstractions of cannabis leaves, which also plays off nicely with the actual structure and angles of the box itself. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. With marijuana laws changing at a rapid pace across all 50 states, we've seen an explosion of cannabis packaging so elegant and sophisticated, it even gives wine and spirit labels a run for their money. To demonstrate just how skilled they are in producing gorgeous packaging for this market, letterpress master Studio on Fire collaborated with foilmaker Kurtz to create this high-quality packaging concept box to hand out at the recent marijuana business trade show MJBizCon. With its rich mix of shimmering foils, die-cutting, embossing, and overall tactile terrificness, it might have been a little too successful, but more about that in a minute. Designed and produced by Studio on Fire, the striking 2.5-inch black cube is made from Neenah folding board deep black hemp. Very fitting, I know. The already rich ebony hue is made all the richer with the application of black foil, this tone-on-tone effect lending it more visual appeal as well as texture and a subtle sheen. An additional foil, a golden bronze tone, successfully brings the bling, providing a stunning contrast with its geometric patterns and text. Embossing on top and front of the box establish that all-important tactile link between consumer and product. The intricate rays of leaves are actually geometric abstractions of cannabis leaves, which also plays off nicely of the actual structure and angles of the box itself. Lifting up the angled lid of this premium packaging reveals even more beautiful bronze foil text, as well as a glass jar complete with monogrammed and nano-embossed seal over the jar's cap. The jar itself sits snug in an octagonal cutout, a very clever internal base, giving it a slight angle, overall giving the impression of a precious gem being presented in an intricate jewel box. The eagerness in which this premium packaging was snapped up at the trade show really was a huge success for the craftsmen at Studio on Fire. There's just one little problem. Everybody now wants exactly this same box. As you can see, the packaging really sets a tone and makes a brand. But when you start from scratch, where do you begin? Well, you begin by downloading the free packaging cheat sheet we collated for you. Download it at the link accompanying this video. Did you enjoy the video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.